Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX crypto in a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, it is a very bad time for our TRX holders. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality of TRX crypto in the last 2 hour results. So it's a result of TRX in the last 2 hour negative 0.39% change come in the TRX cryptocurrencies. In the high price of TRX cryptocurrencies in the is the dollar 0.067417 dollar is the high price of the TRX cryptocurrency in the market. If we see the chart of the TRX cryptocurrencies, so it's a after a jumping time they start falling down. As you can see here, very fastly like a rocket they are falling down on the ground. A great potential in the TRX cryptocurrencies are here at this period. So my suggestion is to sell it and be safe from loss. Sell it, bro. Sell it, my friends. Sell it if you are a TRX holders. Please sell it. My suggestion, they are falling down with a one with the hover. As you can see here, now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour? It's clear they are on negative. My suggestion as they are on negative, so sell it. As you can see here, also in negative. My suggestion, as you can see here, also in negative 3.16% they are falling down. It's very bad news. It's very bad news. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality of the TRX crypto in this time. It's falling down. It's falling down. I'm sorry for your loss, but just sell it and be safe from more loss. As you can see here, that's the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.